Oui, bonjour, bonjour. You're welcome to another lesson. In this video, we are going to learn how to order for food and drinks in a restaurant in French.
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
First of all, a restaurant in French is un restaurant, un restaurant. On a aussi le cafétéria. You also have a cafeteria. Le cafeteria, where you take café, le thé. You also have la boulangerie. La boulangerie is a bakery where you have bread and stuff. Okay, so let's get right into it. When you get to a restaurant, the first thing you need to do is to greet them politely. Bonjour. Okay, so probably you are there with your friend, a partner, or a group of friends. You can ask them, je veux une table pour 2 personnes. Je veux une table pour 2 personnes. I want a table for 2. Probably you are 4. Je veux 2 tables pour 4. Okay, 2 tables pour 4 personnes. So 2 tables for 4 people. Like that. It depends on the situation, right? Le vin is wine. So vin rouge, red wine. So I'll take red wine. Okay, a glass of red wine. Someone will say, je prendrai une boîte d'eau. I'll take a bottle of water. Je prendrai 2 verres de liqueur. I'll take 2 glasses of liquor. Okay, that's hard drink. So you say je prendrai and you add the name of the drink. If you want to talk on behalf of the group, probably all of you want the same thing. You can say nous prendrons, or nous voulons. Okay, then add the drink, the name of the drink. When it comes to food, you say je voudrais bankou avec la sauce d'arachide. Je voudrais le riz au gras. I want jollof rice. Je voudrais foufou avec la sauce de gombo. I want fufu with okra soup. I don't know if that combination is good, man, but it's alright. Okay, so now how do you ask for the bill? Your total bill after eating. You say l'addition, s'il vous plaît. L'addition is a total bill. L'addition. S'il vous plaît is please. Okay, French people value respect a lot, so always add your s'il vous plaît, or s'il te plaît to your statement to show respect, that you respect the other person. Okay, l'addition s'il vous plaît. So when it's given to you, you say je vous remercie, or you say merci. When going, bonne journée, au revoir, bonne journée, you know. Okay, so je prendrai for drinks, je voudrais for food. You can also say je préfère. If there are a list of things that are given to you, you say okay, moi je préfère foufou, hein? You can say je préfère. Always be polite. The bill is l'addition s'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup.